younger players of Orlando Pirates, Cameron Danson. Cameron, firstly, how does it feel to have this around your neck?
So, having played my first full season with Orlando Pirates and achieving so much, that's indescribable. I'm just hoping to win more trophies and enjoy my time here.
Which players would you say have helped you throughout the season? I mean, you're lucky to be playing with experienced players. So single out a few that have made an impact in your life.
Mostly the midfielders, because during the week we would like do extra and help each other, try and motivate each other to do better in games, and I think that helped a lot.
Bafana going to the World Cup soon. Is that a goal that you're looking at to say one day I too would love to represent the country in a tournament like the World Cup?
Obviously, playing for the country is a big deal. So we all dream to be part of the national team and represent our country.
There's that one goal that you scored, probably one of the candidates for goal of the season. Are you hoping that maybe?
I'm praying for it, you know. It's been, everyone is speaking about it, and it was such a nice goal. So like, I'm hoping I can get goal of the season.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.